Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading recap for October 23rd, Thursday. And today was another great day of trading. Today we made 2 trades and ended up pulling 10 points out of the market. We had a nice gap up here. Market kind of went sideways a little bit and then just took off to the upside. Very nice movement. Our first trade was very quick. We took a short here. We ended up taking profit right over here. You barely can see this candle. That's why I'm trying to keep the mouse off of it. But we took profit right in here. The market chopped around a little bit. We did get long down here. And from hindsight, looking at the chart, was a perfect entry, just about. And we were able to hold on and took profits right in here. After we got out, market did keep going up. It was an interesting day. It's another example. You don't have to be in the entire move to be able to make nice profit. 10 points with 2 trades, I'll take that every day. That's not bad at all. And that's really how you have to view the market. We basically jump in, make a little money, jump out. That's what we try to do. That's what our business is. Not every trade's going to be successful, but we know that over the long run, using our methodology, that we're going to make some good money. And that's really what I wanted to show with the website and everything. Show traders, new, struggling traders who are doing well, that my methodology works. It does make money, and we do know that over the long term that we will be successful in using the methodology. I see still a lot of new traders like to jump from method to method to method to method. Whenever they take a loss, they add some indicators, take another loss, add some more indicators. Indicators are basically byproducts. It's like when you buy a vehicle, you can add stuff to make the vehicle faster, and then once you get a certain point of adding stuff to that vehicle, everything else is just aesthetics, like painting the vehicle or putting some racing stripes on the vehicle or putting a cover on the vehicle. All that stuff is just aesthetics. It doesn't do anything at all. And that's basically what indicators are. Once you start adding way too much stuff to your charts, it does get convoluted, and it really does make you want to overtrade as well. So that's one thing about that. I wanted to talk about it a little bit because I'm getting some questions. What do I use? Do I use any indicators? Whatnot? And to me, you don't need indicators to be a great trader. Like a MACD or stochastic or RSI or something like that. Your real popular ones. And I'm doing quote marks with my hands right now, but you guys can't see me. Because they're popular indicators, but they're not necessarily good indicators. When I first started out, I used some indicators. But then as my methodology developed and I started getting pretty good at the markets, my charts became more naked and more naked, because I think that's basically the value of the market. I've developed a few things for new traders so that way it helps them kind of view where things are going. But it's only that, and it's not really, I've seen charts that have, your RSI, your MACD, some other indicators that I've never heard of, the money flow, whatever, and I've seen where the indicators are so much on the chart that you can barely even see price. So they're pretty much trading the indicators, and you have lagging things and you have leading things. What leads on the chart? Well, price does. What lags? Just about everything else. You have, price, the volume of what's going on in the market, and that really doesn't even matter. Really doesn't. People get too hung up on that as well. But anyway, that's my little rant about that. I know it's probably very convoluted, but it is what it is. I wanted to talk about that a little bit. Got some questions, about indicators. I definitely don't have a favorite indicator. I don't have anything that I would recommend to anyone. The only thing I would recommend is, start taking crap off your charts. Because it, really makes them look ugly and makes it hard to trade. So, anyway, with that, hopefully it makes sense. You can always leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.